Growing up in Africa, it's easy to believe you're destined for poverty. You see it all around you, hear stories from your parents, grandparents, neighbors. It's like this weight, this expectation hanging over you. But today I'm here to challenge that assumption. Poverty is a real issue, but your destiny isn't determined by statistics or reports. Your future is what you choose to make it. If you're tired of the same old narrative and ready to take control, stick around. This video is for you. And hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's do this. Now I know what you're thinking. Easy for you to say, Trevor, you made it out. And you're right, I'm fortunate. But my journey started with a decision to change my mindset. It wasn't easy and it didn't happen overnight. Part of that was being honest about the voices influencing me. I had to take a hard look at who I was listening to. We all have mentors, family, friends, people we respect. They shape our thoughts and actions more than we realize. But not all mentors are created equal. Some may have good intentions but lack the vision to see beyond their own limitations. Some mean well, but are stuck in cycles of negativity. They can't help but project their fears and doubts onto you. They think they're protecting you, but they're holding you back. Their advice, though well-meaning, can be a barrier to your growth. So, sometimes you gotta fire your mentors. It's a tough decision, but necessary for your personal development. Be selective about who you take advice from. Choose those who inspire you to be better, who challenge you to grow. Seek out voices of possibility. Look for mentors who have achieved what you aspire to, who have walked the path you're on. Those mentors are out there, in books, online, sharing their wisdom. They are accessible if you know where to look. And they want you to succeed too. They are invested in your growth and are eager to share their knowledge. They're waiting for you to join the conversation. So take that step, seek out those positive influences, and start your journey towards a better you. Let's talk about the idea of a poor country. What does it really mean when we say a country is poor? Is it just about the GDP, the average income, or the infrastructure? Or is there more to the story? It's a label, a statistic, and it can be misleading. It often overlooks the richness of culture, the strength of community, and the potential of individuals. A country doesn't define your potential. You do. Your dreams, your ambitions, and your actions are what truly matter. People from so-called developing countries are crushing it. They're not waiting for external validation. They're creating their own success stories. They're entrepreneurs, innovators, artists, athletes. They're proving that talent and hard work can thrive anywhere. They're succeeding not in spite of where they come from, but because of it. Their unique experiences and challenges have shaped them into resilient individuals. Growing up with scarce resources builds character, resilience, resourcefulness. These are invaluable traits that can't be bought or taught in a classroom. These qualities aren't taught in business school. They are learned through life experiences, through overcoming obstacles and finding creative solutions. Shift your focus from the national narrative to your personal economy. What can you do today to improve your situation? What skills do you have? What knowledge can you share? How can you leverage your unique talents? What are you passionate about? Passion drives innovation and creativity. It fuels perseverance. Use those skills to create value, solve problems, make a difference. Your contributions can have a ripple effect, inspiring others in your community. True wealth isn't about your country's money. It's about the richness of your experiences, the strength of your character, and the impact you have on others. It's about the impact you have on the world. Your actions, no matter how small, can contribute to a larger change. Focus on what you can control and make the most of it. I'm not going to tell you it's easy. Building something from the ground up is challenging, but challenges are opportunities in disguise. When times are tough, real innovators step up. They see market gaps and unmet needs, and they find creative solutions. Necessity is the mother of invention. Embrace the struggle. See it as a chance to develop resilience, creativity, problem-solving skills. These qualities will set you apart and attract success. You might create something that changes your life and others. To everyone watching, especially in Africa and around the world, rethink your path. Take a moment to reflect on where you are and where you want to be. Life is full of opportunities waiting to be seized. Stop accepting limitations and start embracing possibilities. The world is vast and your potential is limitless. Every step you take can lead to new and exciting adventures. We are capable of more than we give ourselves credit for. Often, we underestimate our own abilities and let fear hold us back. But remember, Every great achievement starts with the decision to try. We have the talent, drive, and resilience to achieve anything. Whether it's in sports, academics, or any other field, our determination can break barriers and set new records. Let's stop being negative about what's possible. Instead, let's cultivate a mindset of positivity and growth. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Believe in yourself, support each other, and pursue big dreams. Together, we can create a community of dreamers and doers. Thank you for watching. Like this video and share it with your friends on social media. Your support helps us reach more people and spread this message of hope and empowerment. If you're new here, subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos. We have a lot more inspiring content coming your way.